In the treacherous, snow-capped peaks of the Alaskan wilderness lives a creature that defines the spirit of North.
Known for its pure white coat and massive curved horns, this animal is the center of specialized industry.
Today, we go inside the most advanced processing facilities in Alaska to see this high-altitude survivor transformed. This rare resource is turned into premium organic meat and some of the most sought-after fur products globally. Unlike traditional livestock, Dall sheep thrive in vertical terrain where no road or traditional transport can ever reach.
The industry relies on a complex network of aerial logistics to manage the collection of these remote resources.
Using specialized bush planes and high-altitude helicopters, teams track the movement of herds across the jagged ridges.
The harvesting process is strictly regulated by state authorities to ensure the long-term sustainability of the wild population.
Once the sheep are harvested, they are immediately moved to cold collection points located throughout the mountain range. The natural Alaskan climate begins the initial chilling process, which is vital for preserving the meat's peak quality.
From the wilderness, the sheep arrive at the primary processing hub to begin their transition into luxury goods.
Because Dall sheep meat is lean and organic, it is free from industrial hormones and chemical growth additives.
Each animal is treated with extreme care by the facility staff to maintain the integrity of the product.
Inside the factory, automated skinning machines gently remove the white pelt to avoid damaging the valuable fur underneath.
Protecting the hide is essential, as the fur is just as valuable as the meat in this industry.
The carcasses are then moved into aging rooms with controlled humidity for 7 to 10 full days.
This aging process breaks down the muscle fibers.
The resulting product is a premium meat that is exported to high-end restaurants across the entire global market.
Next, we enter the fur refinery to witness the processing of the sheep's incredible Arctic protective shield.
The Dall sheep's white fur is designed by nature to withstand temperatures reaching 50 degrees below zero. In the processing wing, the pelts undergo a specialized tanning and scouring cycle to prepare the hide.
Because the hair is hollow, it provides incredible insulation that is superior to almost any other fiber.
The factory uses cold tanning technology to preserve natural oils in the hide while keeping the color brilliant.
The fur is groomed using industrial air jets to remove any debris, resulting in a clean, luxurious material.
This material.
A unique aspect of the Dall sheep industry is the horn processing unit, where waste is eliminated. The massive, amber-colored horns of the rams are highly prized and sent to specialized precision cutting stations. CNC machines and skilled craftsmen turn the horn material into luxury knife handles, jewelry, and ornamental pieces.
Even the bones are processed into high-calcium psyllium organic meal, ensuring that 100% of the animal.
Before any products leave Alaska, they undergo a rigorous quality inspection to meet the factory's high standards.
The meat is vacuum sealed and flash frozen using liquid nitrogen to lock in freshness for its journey.
Every pelt is graded based on its thickness and purity of color before being cleared for global.
Only the highest grade products receive the authentic Alaskan seal of approval, signifying a truly wild, pure product. This industry is a masterclass in how modern technology can sustainably harvest one of nature's most remote.
It serves as a bridge between the ancient wild and the demands of the modern luxury market.
Would you ever try this rare organic mountain meat? Or wear the world's warmest natural white fur?
Let us know in the comments and subscribe to see more incredible industrial processes from the earth.
Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our journey through the world's most unique processing facilities. The white gold of the North continues to drive a sophisticated economy in the heart of Alaska.
Pilots navigate dangerous weather patterns to reach the most isolated herds of sheep across the high tundra.
Supplies are dropped to ground teams who manage the sustainable harvest in areas far beyond any road.
Satellite data provides real-time monitoring of population health, ensuring the industry never over-harvests the wild mountain herds.
Large amounts of salt are transported to the mountains to begin the initial curing of sheep pelts.
Portable cold storage units maintain the perfect temperature for meat until the transport aircraft can arrive safely. Every animal is logged into a digital database to ensure full traceability from the mountain to the...
The processing facility uses advanced water reclamation systems to minimize its environmental footprint in the pristine wilderness.
Scientists meticulously balance the chemistry of the tanning baths to achieve the perfect white fur finish required.
Centrifugal dryers remove moisture without damaging the delicate hollow structure of the sheep's unique Arctic fur fibers.
Laser-guided blades ensure that every cut of meat is uniform, maximizing the value of this rare resource.
The packaging reflects the luxury status of the product, catering to the world's most discerning culinary elites.
Custom engravings allow for personalization of horn products, further increasing their value in the global artisan market.
High-calcium bone meal is a valuable byproduct, sold to organic farmers looking for natural Alaskan soil supplements.
Microscopic inspection confirms that the cold tanning process has successfully preserved the hair's natural brilliance and thermal properties.
The sheer scale of the aging vault demonstrates the industry's capacity to handle large-scale organic meat production. Logistics experts coordinate rapid air transport to ensure the meat arrives in Asian markets at peak freshness. Renewable energy sources help power the massive cooling systems required to maintain the factory's sub-zero processing environment. Every rug is hand-combed to ensure a perfect texture, making it one of the softest natural products.
Market analysts track the rising value of wild organic meat, which currently commands a significant price premium.
The harsh environment outside only serves to highlight the efficiency and warmth of the operations within the...
Specialized wax coatings are applied to the leather hides to enhance their durability against moisture and extreme.
Lead designers collaborate with mountain experts to create gear that is both fashionable and capable of survival. The limited production of these artisan goods makes them highly collectible among high-end outdoor equipment enthusiasts worldwide.
Sanitation is the top priority, with all equipment undergoing high-pressure steam cleaning multiple times during every shift.
Transporting these goods across Alaska's frozen interior requires specialized vehicles designed to handle the world's toughest roads.
Continuous thermal monitoring ensures the cold chain is never broken, guaranteeing the safety of the organic meat. Protective films ensure that delicate jewelry pieces remain scratch-free until they reach the final customer in luxury. The factory operates its own power plant, ensuring total independence from the fragile Alaskan electrical grid system.
The brilliance of the white fur makes it a standout material on the runways of New York.
Data-driven processing allows the factory to optimize aging times for every individual carcass based on its weight. From Anchorage, the products are flown to global hubs, reaching consumers within 48 hours of final packaging. Local Alaskan farms benefit from the organic byproducts, creating a circular economy within the remote northern state.
The factory remains a beacon of industrial progress in a land where nature still holds ultimate power.
Stretching the pelts is a critical step in the tanning process to ensure the leather remains flexible.
Only meat that meets the highest fat-to-lean ratios is awarded the factory's prestigious elite grade classification.
Massive tanks of liquid nitrogen are required to maintain the flash freezing line at its necessary extreme temperatures. Ongoing research ensures that the industry remains in harmony with the natural cycles of the mountain wildlife. Every detail is polished to perfection, ensuring that the final product represents the pinnacle of Alaskan craftsmanship. Operators oversee every aspect of the process, from the initial aerial tracking to the final global distribution.